Hi there. Welcome back to Best Product. If you spend a lot of time in the kitchen, you know how tiring chopping and grinding can be, especially when you are preparing a big meal for family or guests. That is why having the best electric chopper on your counter can completely change your cooking routine. It saves time, reduces effort, and makes everything feel easier. Let's get started. Designed to make food prep faster and more efficient, the Remix electric chopper brings power and smart design together in one compact machine. Remix focused on convenience, hygiene, and strong performance, and you can really see that in the details. One of the standout features is the large capacity with two separate 12-cup mixing bowls. You get one bowl dedicated to cutting meat, shrimp, and other proteins, and another bowl made for vegetables. This dual bowl design is not just about convenience. It also helps prevent cross-contamination. You can prepare meat in one bowl and vegetables in the other without mixing flavors or worrying about hygiene. It makes your kitchen work cleaner and more organized. Powering the Remix electric chopper is an upgraded 500-watt motor. This gives it strong and steady performance for chopping, crushing, and pureeing. Whether you are dealing with tough cuts of meat or firm vegetables like carrots, the motor keeps everything running smoothly. You do not need to press hard or wait long. The machine does the heavy work for you. The sharp stainless steel 4 double-stage blades are another big advantage. These blades are designed to cut from different angles, which helps process ingredients evenly and quickly. Even harder ingredients are broken down in seconds. With just a few short pulses, you can control the texture exactly how you like it. If you want a coarse chop for salsa or a smooth puree for soup, it is easy to adjust. On top of the unit, you will find two simple gear buttons. One gives you low speed for softer ingredients or light chopping. The other provides high speed for tougher tasks. This simple control system makes the Remix electric chopper very easy to use. You do not need to deal with complicated settings. Just choose the speed and let it work. Safety and stability are also important. That is why Remix added non-slip foot pads at the base. These pads keep the chopper steady on your countertop while it is running. It reduces movement and gives you a more secure and comfortable experience. Cleaning up after cooking is often the least enjoyable part, but Remix made that easier too. One mixing bowl is made from glass and the other is crafted from SUS 304 stainless steel. The different materials help you quickly recognize which bowl is for meat and which is for vegetables. Both bowls are dishwasher safe, so you can simply place them in the dishwasher and save time. Remix also stands behind its product with supportive customer service. If you receive a defective item or are not satisfied, their team is ready to help and provide a solution. That kind of support adds peace of mind to your purchase. The Remix electric chopper combines strong power, smart design, and simple controls in a way that makes everyday cooking easier and faster. It is a practical tool that fits right into any modern kitchen. Want to upgrade your food prep game? Check the price link in the description and see more details. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.